What's up YouTube, it's Harman from Team Harman Real Estate and we're back today in Toronto and we're going to do a property tour of one of the most unique architecturally designed condo buildings in not only Toronto or Canada but in the world. It's right here. Let's go. Have you ever driven on the Gardiner in Toronto and saw what looks like a bridge between these two condo buildings? And do you ever wonder what that was? Well, it's actually two condo units inside that bridge, and we're lucky enough to take a tour on one of the units today, and it's called the Grand Bridge Suite. Okay, before we begin, I want to thank Concord 8X for allowing us to view this beautiful property and take this property tour to see what truly is a gem in the sky. And I want to thank Jenny, the sales representative, for letting us be here today too. Let's go check it out. Okay, so the Grand Bridge Suite is the country's highest and largest suspended residence. It spans 23 feet tall and 130 feet wide, and it's designed by Vancouver-based Live Design Studios. And I think the designer did a great job utilizing all of the natural light that comes into the unit to showcase its best features. And now we'll go into one of my favorite areas of the unit, which is the kitchen. Now I love absolutely everything about the kitchen, from the marble countertops to all the millwork. You can see here in the kitchen they have a full standing wine fridge which is temperature controlled. They also have the built-in fridge and freezer over here. Now all the appliances are designed by Mealy, so you have the coffee maker here, you have your mini oven over here, you have your cooktop here, you have your full-size oven right here, and you have your commercial vent here. And then you can see you have a lot of cabinet space here. You got your built-in dishwasher right here. And then you have your Kohler stainless steel sink with the Go-Hair faucets right over here. And then you'll see a beautiful pantry right here. And now you notice you don't need too much lighting in here because you have a lot of natural light coming from the floor to ceiling windows right over here. And we'll move into what is the formal dining area right here. You can see an extended dining table here. You can see up to 8 people, so it's great for entertaining. And all this open concept space flows naturally into what is your living space over here. You can see you can lay out a full-size couch right over here, and you have this beautiful centerpiece fireplace where you can either put a great piece of art, put a TV up here. Great space for entertaining. And the thing I love most about this fireplace is it's double-sided, so you have a great rest area back here, and this fireplace connects to both sides, so you can easily use the fireplace for this side of the unit or that side. Okay, so the great part about this unit is that because it's a 3-story condo unit, you get these little areas in between floors where you can have a seating area, you can put a couch down, you can maybe even put a small office in between these floors, and it makes for a great utilization of space, and it provides a lot of different contrast between the floors as well. So let's make our way up here. We're on the, what you would call, I guess, the second floor of the unit. Now, right over here, we have a little sink, and we have the laundry en suite right over here. Now, over here we have just some closet space, and then we'll make our way into the second bedroom right over here. There's an ensuite in this bedroom. There's also a walk-in closet over here, and you get a nice window over here with shades that are automatic. Okay, so one of my other favorite features about this second bedroom is this accent wall. Now you can see the built-in mirrors in here. They give a great depth perception feature to the unit, so it makes it look a lot bigger than what it might be. And you know, that's great for a lot of bedrooms where it might not be as spacious. However, you can tell this second bedroom is massive. In most condo buildings, this would be considered a master bedroom. Okay, so now we're on the third floor of this unit, and you can see on the third floor here, there's a built-out bar, and it connects perfectly to the outdoor terrace right here, so great for entertaining. And you have easy access to a sink and a bar set up right here, so You can have fun in the summer all you want. Okay, so now we're gonna make our way to the outdoor terrace. This is 823 square feet of outdoor space. And, I mean, you can get both views here. You get the view of the city right over here. And then on the other side here, you get the view of the lake and Billy Bishop Airport. You can literally count the airplanes from over here. And it's really, really hard to find more outdoor space here in the city than 823 square feet. Absolutely incredible. Okay, so continuing on with the third floor, we're here now at the master bedroom. So you can see here, this is a large bedroom right here, and you know, I love the walls here, the work that they've done. I love this light fixture that they've put in here. You can see in the ceiling that the ceiling is coffered and they've put indented lights to create a nice lighting effect into the unit. They have a bookshelf over here. They have this little seating area here inside the bedroom, which is really nice. And they have a balcony right here, right inside the master. And you can see over here, alongside the master bedroom, they have built out a little den which you can use as a home office, which is perfect right now as most of you aren't really going into the office at all. You can see here, great little utilization of space. And then one of my favorite parts about this condo is that you can see here, this is the built out closets. Now they're not directly inside the master, but they're on the floor, which makes it a great flow through for the entire floor. This is definitely one of the coolest parts. So there's an entry to the unit downstairs on the first floor, but there's also an entry to the unit from the 36th floor as well, which is really cool. So we'll make our way now. Over here, you'll see the second closet. So they have a his and hers closet. Hey, Mr. Prime Minister, when am I getting my vaccine? No, I can totally imagine soaking in this tub and taking in the breathtaking views here in downtown Toronto. You get a great panoramic view of the lake, the city. Pretty stellar. Okay, so we're here now inside the standing shower, inside the master ensuite. Kind of reminds me of my bedroom in my condo unit. Now some extras with this condo unit, you get 3 parking spots here in downtown Toronto, which is unheard of. You can barely get 1 parking spot for most units now. And you also get a premium storage that's included with the 3 parking spots, so you'll have all the storage space you need. Okay, I want to thank everyone for watching the video today. I hope you all liked it. Absolutely a great property tour of 21 Iceboat Terrace, this almost 5,000 square foot unit. I want to thank the developer Concord 8X for having us. I want to give compliments to the design studio, Live Design Studio, for a great job done on the interior. And to all my YouTube family out there, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram at Harman Homes. Thanks for checking in. Peace.